Okay, show me your move. Whoa! You got any more moves in ya? Careful, Abe. That's a lot of twirling. Nora's dancing too. Whoa. Hi, Nora. Can you jump on one foot for me? You've been practicing that. Wow, look at you. She just keeps going. Hey, Nora. Nora's feet are dancing. How about a somersault? Whoa, good job, Abe. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Watch out for Nora. Hey, Abe. Avery. Avery. She wanted to be next to it. Oh. That's not a very good spot to do your somersault. You need to scoot over by the basketball hoop. Nora's gonna go get that music player. How about some jumping jacks, Abe? Woo! Oh, watch out for Nora's. Look at where Nora is. Okay. Wow, yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay. Looks good. Anything else you want to show me? Nora wants to show her moves now. Nora? Hey, Nora? Hey, Nora? Oh.